if there is a patient of, say, this autoimmune disorder, and he want to get into the trial, what he should do from start to get into up to the getting into the trials?
First is the onboarding process, which contains a simple medical intake form, and it takes the whole medical information of the patient, the basic medical information of the patient, along with the medical documents. Once we receive the initial case file, as we call it, we start standardizing it. We standardize. If it's in the English, it's very good. If not, then we need to translate it into the English, standardize it. Once that is done, that is where we find what is missing, and we go back to the patient, we collect the missing medical documents. Very important thing which we have struggled with were the international patients is in the imaging. Now imagings are required in this particular DICOM format. Unfortunately, a lot of patients do not have access to their imagings. They only have a report, and report is nothing. Report is produced by the lab technicians, and that is not what the doctors and the trials want to see here. They want to see the DICOM files of these imaging. So that is one part that we make sure that patient has it, and if they don't have it, we work with them with a local provider, local laboratory in order to get those files. Once the complete file is with us, then our research starts internally with the trial programs, what trial programs are open, available. We look into the inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria. Does our patient fit into the complete criteria? And once the match is made that yes, we fit into the inclusion criteria of these programs, then we contact with the program directors. So we contact with the program directors. We give the case review as we go do it, and then we submit the patient case file, the completed case file. Once they are reviewed and they find the patient to be a good fit, there's a pre-screening call is set up between the program director and the patient before the patient travels. So if from the local country, a video call like this is set up, and the program director do the pre-screening. If they find the patient again in the next step, which is a pre-screening fit for the trial program, then is where the patient is pre-accepted into the program. And then we work with the trial programs to get the medical letter, which is the visa letter that will help them to get the visa from their local embassy, expedited medical travel visa that is issued for the patient. Once patients come here, that is where the in-person screening is done of these patients to make sure that all criteria that were talked do match. So once that physical screening is done, looks good at the met, then the patient is put into the trial program, and then it goes with based on the phases, number of months the patient has to stay, and all those things work. But it's really a 3-step process summarizing the million of other details in there into the 3 steps.
If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive notifications.